Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm giving you a compilation video here on crypto. I filmed a couple of crypto videos today, so of course you are going to be able to see all of these updates in one nice place. You're seeing all the cryptos on screen along with a couple of others which didn't make it onto the list, but again I have included them here on this compilation video. If you do enjoy it, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. The intention of these videos is to make it very easy for you guys to get all the information, to make it very easy for you to watch it all in one sitting and potentially provide a bit of extra value. Again, if it does help, if you do find it useful, let me know in the comment section guys, I do appreciate it. And with that being said, we might as well jump straight in. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. We're looking briefly here at Bitcoin today. If you do enjoy these videos, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'm going to be giving you all of my personal thoughts and opinions on Bitcoin. Again, make sure you are doing your own research. I am not a financial advisor. And with that being said, we might as well jump straight in. Now, of course, we are seeing this market-wide drop with a lot of cryptos at the moment. Today has been a red day. Despite the fact that we are seeing this momentum slow down somewhat, we are seeing Bitcoin continue to fall, actually dropping below these levels of support that we were initially forming around 121. Now we're into the 120 range, as you can obviously see, and this brings a few questions as to where our next levels of support are. These are going to be the most crucial things in my opinion going forwards. I think you've got strong levels around 120, 160, right, and I say 120, 162 as you can see here in the numbers, right, just to clear up the figures. I think you do see a lot of strength there. I think the 119, 830 range is strong. I think that is really the lowest that you want to see this one potentially drop to. Ideally, a momentum slowdown with some consolidation at or around this point. I do think there is a possibility that if we begin to drop below that, you're looking at levels such as 119, 370 as well. So again, these are some of the key figures that I'm looking to the downside. Now breaking to the upside, if we're able to do that, you're going to see some potential resistance all the way up at 129.49, breaking up to the 121 range. This is something that we have seen in the past. It could be a possibility again. Then you're looking up to the 122 range for a lot of resistance, 122 all the way up to 123, mainly around 122.5. A lot of resistance in this time frame too for a long period of time. So to the upside, that could be the main level of resistance to watch out for. I think right now guys, things are sort of cooling off. Again, we are up quite big over the last couple of days and weeks. I don't necessarily think this is the worst thing in the world, as long as we are able to find a level of support relatively soon. That is of course just my opinion. I'd love to hear yours down below in the comment section. Thank you so much for your time, and goodbye for now guys. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome to another video here on XRP. You can see here this one is down by 3.8% today. I'm going to be giving you all of my personal thoughts and opinions going forwards as we do see this one continue to fall. If you do enjoy these videos, make sure to please leave a like and subscribe. Although as always, I'd like to remember I'm not a financial advisor and this is not financial advice. You should always be doing your own research. Now coming straight into this one, as you can see, we are now falling quite a bit. We are seeing this major drop, however, towards the period of time that we're in now, the late part of the day, we are seeing the momentum slow down to an extent, so this could be something to watch out for. This would coincide with a few strong levels that we are looking at. You're seeing historical strengths roughly at 171. You can see the same sort of strengths over here at 171.2 or 172 I should say. Now of course this is looking at the market cap, bringing in the numbers more specifically. We'll have a look at this on a dollar basis. You can kind of see what I mean in context here, right? This puts the numbers into more important context. You are very much coming into these very close levels that you could be looking at a bounce off of. If you do not see these hold up, I think you're looking at stronger levels down at 285 and potentially down below that at 283. I think really, in my opinion, 283 is looking like one of the more strong levels with a lot more support there, so that could be somewhere that we are headed into the next couple of days. But again, if you are looking at it on a more historical time basis, you could be seeing those stronger levels in the past holding up too. Either way, I want to see a support hold up in the 280 range. That is going to be my ideal positioning. I think if we're able to do that, you could be looking for a bit of a consolidation with a retest then going up to the 190 mark, potentially all the way up to the 192, 193 mark for a potential push higher than that into the 195 mark with a lot of resistance around this time period here. So there's a lot to look forward to guys. There are a number of key levels to watch out for. I think we need to see all of those stick up before we can potentially break out of these highs that we have seen recently. I think we are going to see a lot of resistance around this time period, so I think going forwards we're just looking to break out of these lower levels just for now. Of course though, that is just my personal set of thoughts and opinions. I'd love to hear yours down below. Thank you so much for your time guys, and goodbye for now. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Tonight we are going to be looking at Dogecoin, which is down today by 6.17%. You can see the trend here through the day, obviously quite the steep drop, coming down now to a few key levels to watch out for. Over the course of this video, I'm giving you all of my personal thoughts and opinions, so if you do enjoy it, please do make sure to leave a like and subscribe. As always, remember this is not financial advice, so you should be doing your own research. Now, a few things stand out to me personally. I'm very interested at the levels that we are coming to. Fortunately, we are not there yet fully to the downside, but you are coming up to a few critical levels to watch out for. You're looking for levels such as 24, I should say, 0.24, right, 24 cent, right, 24 cent is a key level to watch out for. You can see, of course, a support level here in the past, but you're also seeing the same thing hold up here too, right, for a brief period of time. And if you go back a bit further, you can see the same sort of levels holding up in the past. The question is if we're able to hold on to this or not, because if we are not, I think we do potentially dip quite a bit lower. I think if we fall below that, you're looking to the 24.2, you're looking potentially all the way to the 24.0, right, 24 on the dot, into potentially the 23s. Now, where things get interesting is at 23.9, you can see we have a lot of strength around this point, all the way through here, all the way through here too. So this could be the next potential strong level to watch to the downside. At the same time, like I say, we could see a bounce off this 24.7 mark, and that is ideally what we will be looking for. From there, you're looking to go up and retest levels such as 25.3, potentially all the way up to 25.5, and if you begin to break that, you're looking at 25.6 all the way up to potentially 25.8, where things could see a quick break to the 26 range. Of course, that is just my personal set of thoughts and opinions. I'd love to hear yours down below in the comment section. Thank you so much for your time, guys, and goodbye for now. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Tonight we are going to be looking at Litecoin, which you can see today so far is down by 2.29%. At the time of filming, we have seen this one decline, coming up to key important levels to watch out for. Over the course of this video, I'll be giving you all of my personal thoughts and opinions going forwards, but I'd like you to remember, as usual, I am not a financial advisor, and this is not financial advice. Now, with that being said, jumping straight into the video, a few things do stand out to me, and again, if you do enjoy, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. Now, of course, as I say, Litecoin is now coming up to a few critical levels to watch out for. Unfortunately, it seems to be the case that we are breaking below levels at 116.25. We're now actually breaking below levels around 115.80, 115.70, where we have found previous levels of support. Now, this brings us on to more historical levels of strength. To be honest, if you have a look on the chart back to 115.37, 115.40, we are seeing a bit of strength back here, so of course that is a possibility of a level to hold up. But when we see these drops with Litecoin, these particularly large drops, I should say, you know, you come to a point where you have to ask what we are looking for. I think beyond this, you are looking to more solid levels of support. You could be looking for a retest of levels around 113 potentially a little bit lower than that, around the 112.80 mark. I think all of that is a possibility. Of course, though, this is just my personal thoughts and opinions. Now, in terms of levels to the upside that you're looking to break above, you're looking to see if we can get above 115.90 all the way up to 116. If you can push above that, I think you're looking to 116.40, where things get a little bit more intensive, and stronger levels of resistance do come in at 117, 117.50. We'll have to see how things play out. I'd love to hear your thoughts and opinions on it over the course of the next few days in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching the video. Again, if you did enjoy it, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. Goodbye for now.